Hello everyone and welcome to Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's St. Hugh's Prep from St. Andrew up against Jamaican Primary from Clarendon. I'm your host Javon Keys and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and they'll have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Jamaican Primary won and decided to send St. Hugh's Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with St. Hugh's Bible knowledge. In the New Testament, who said, "I am the Good Shepherd"?
David.
Incorrect. Jesus. Bible knowledge. Maypen. In the New Testament, Jesus reportedly wept after the death of which man?
Paul.
Incorrect. Lazarus. Jamaican affairs. It's a visual question. St. Hugh's. Look at the monitor and identify this former Governor General.
Sir Florizel Glasspool.
That is correct. Maypen, Jamaican affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this former Governor General.
Kenneth Blackbird.
Incorrect. Sir Howard Cook. Science. St. Hugh's. What is an epidemic that spreads rapidly from one country or continent to another called?
Pandemic.
Correct. Maypen. Science. What word describes diseases that can be spread from one person to another?
Contagious.
Or communicable. That's correct. Television. A visual question. St. Hugh's. Look at the monitor and identify this late actor.
Justin Bieber.
Incorrect. Matthew Perry. Television. A visual question. Maypen. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Will Smith.
Incorrect. Leonardo DiCaprio. English language. St. Hugh's. Spell miraculous.
Miraculous.
That's correct. Maypen. English language. Spell adventurous.
Adventurous.
Correct. Sports. A visual question. St. Hugh's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
John Paul.
Incorrect. Glenn Mills, local athletics coach. Maypen. Sports. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Steve Francis.
Correct. Local athletics coach. General knowledge. For you, St. Hugh's. Lilongwe is the capital of which African country?
Republic of Benin.
Incorrect. Malawi. Maypen. General knowledge. Brazzaville is the capital of which African country?
Kenya.
Incorrect. Congo. Social studies. St. Hugh's. The Providence Stadium is a major cricket ground in which Caribbean country?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Incorrect. Guyana. Maypen. Social studies. If you were seated in the Worrell, Walcott, and Weeks stand, in which popular Caribbean cricket ground would you be?
Barbados.
Incorrect. We're looking for the Kensington Oval, which is in Barbados. St. Hugh's music. How old was the American pop star Michael Jackson when he died?
50 years old.
50 is correct. Maypen, music, how old was Jamaican reggae star Bob Marley when he died?
34. 34.
Incorrect. 36. Mathematics, and we don't have time. For any more questions in this section, the scores are St. Hugh's Prep on 4 and Maypen Primary on 3. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Use a planner to write down and organize your homework and assignments. You will perform better when you plan. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.